Alle, alles, allen, allem, aller. What's the difference and when do we use which one in German? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to explain everything there is to know about these words and how they are used in practice. Stay tuned. Tag alle and welcome back to the channel. My name is Florian and I've been a German teacher for about 10 years. Many students regularly confuse these words right here, and I can't deny it, they look quite terrifying. But as with everything in German, there are rules to the chaos. Quick heads up, in this video I'm going to talk a lot about cases, so if you haven't learned them yet, you can check out my video about them by clicking on this info card here. Alright, let's jump into it. Let's first look at the word alle. It is an indefinite pronoun in its plural form, and you can use it as a standalone, where it then translates to everybody or everyone, or together with a noun, also in the plural, where it then means all. Now, the reason we have so many of them is due to the case system. The word alle can take all four cases, alle vier Fälle. Nominativ, alle. Akkusativ, alle, same. Dativ, allen. And Genitiv, aller. Let me give you two examples for each case, with the first one using it as a standalone and the second one together with a noun. Alle haben über den Witz gelacht. Everybody laughed at the joke. By the way, keep in mind that you have to use the third person plural form of the verb here, even though in English everybody uses the singular form. Alle Menschen sind vor dem Gesetz gleich. All humans are equal before the law. Almost. Ich kenne hier nicht alle. I don't know everybody here. Mach bitte alle Fenster zu. Please close all the windows. Ein Extrovert liebt es, mit allen zu sprechen. An extrovert loves talking to everyone. Der Präsident hat sich bei allen Wählern bedankt. The president thanked all voters. Der Unterricht ist zur Freude aller ausgefallen. Classes were cancelled to everybody's delight. Das ist die beste aller Ideen. This is the best of all ideas. With just that, we've covered almost half the list. So let's talk about the other half, the singular forms. These translate to everything and are declined like this. Nominativ alles, Akkusativ alles as well, Dativ allem, Genitiv alles. Here are some examples. Fast alles nervt sie auf der Arbeit. Almost everything annoys her at work. Ich habe alles gesagt. I've said everything. Einen Döner mit allem bitte. One doner kebab with everything, please.
Einen Döner zum Mitnehmen, bitte.
Mehmet, noch ein Döner.
Döner mit alles?
Mit alles?
Dativ.
Mit Dativ, Mehmet.
Moving on to the genitive, well, it kind of fell out of use in modern German. If you have a preposition that requires the genitive, just use the dative allem instead, as you do with personal pronouns. Because of everything, wegen allem, not wegen alles. By the way, you can also combine these forms with nominalized adjectives ending in e to get stuff like this. Alles böse, everything evil, or alles interessante, everything interesting. Alright, now we've covered every form except for the first one, all. This is basically a short form you'd use if you have an article or another pronoun coming after it. For instance, all die Erinnerungen, all the memories. All meine Freunde, all my friends. Or all diese Regeln, all these rules. You kind of chop off the ending to put it on the next word instead. However, this is not a very strict rule, as you'll hear in this very popular nursery rhyme.
Alle meine Entchen.
Aha, alle meine Entchen, not all meine Entchen. See? Anyway, that's more or less all there is to say about this topic. Please don't hesitate to ask me anything in the comments if something was left unclear. And if you crave more examples and exercises, you can download this free PDF file I've linked in the description. And now I'm going to leave you with this little fun fact. One of the many ways to refer to space in German is das All, the everything. So that's pretty cool. Thank you for watching and haut rein!